Hey guys, welcome back to the CryptoJobs YouTube channel. I'm your host, and today we're celebrating a massive win on our OP spot setup. We've just hit our third take profit target, and that's a solid plus 27% gain. This is a perfect example of our analysis playing out with precision. For those who don't know, Optimism is a leading Layer 2 scaling solution for Ethereum, and its ecosystem is growing with new projects adopting its technology. The recent price action has been fueled by strong fundamentals and clear technical signals, and we were there to catch the move. This is the kind of accuracy you get when you're part of our team. Now, before you go, I want to talk about how you can take your trading to the next level with me. I'm running a copy trading challenge on BingX right now, where I'm working to turn a $1,000 account into $10,000. You can follow along with every trade. The link to my profile is in the description below. And of course, don't forget to join my communities. We've got the free Telegram channel for all my quick updates and market insights, and my free VIP group for even more setups and a closer look at my trading strategy. The links for both are right in the description. Peace out.